Heat pump systems. How do they work? In essence, a heat pump is just an air conditioner, except in the wintertime, it kind of reverses itself and we take the heat from outside and bring it inside. Whereas in the summertime, we take the heat from inside and bring it outside. It just reverses itself. It's a problem though. Above the Mason-Dixon line, it's a little too cold for heat pumps up here in this area. Taking the heat from outside air when it's 20 degrees is very difficult, so we need backup heat. And that comes in the case of electric resistance heat. That could be your backup. You can have oil furnace as a backup, or you can have gas as a backup. Those are called hybrids with the gas or the oil as a backup. That's not bad because the air that comes out of there is much warmer than electric and it's cheaper to operate. One of the things about heat pumps that we have to remember is because they're running in the winter time, they get iced up. Remember, they're trying to draw the heat from outside and bring it in. When they ice up, they automatically defrost themselves. Some clients call us and say, there's smoke coming out of my unit. It's just the defrost cycle, so be on the lookout for that. The other thing that's important is snow accumulation and leaves. Not a big deal in the summertime when you're running the air conditioning, but leaves and snow against the unit can cause a drop in efficiency and could interfere with the defrost cycle. In this area, it's been so cold. Twice now we've been in the single digits, and heat pumps have a difficult time catching up. We design heat pumps in this area for 17 degrees. When it drops below 17 degrees, it has a hard time catching up. So just remember that. It's working, it just has to work harder. The other thing we want to remind our clients about is emergency heat. Up in this area, the heat pump we already stated cannot produce enough heat. So we have a backup system. On your thermostat is a little switch that says EM heat or emergency heat. If you're having a problem with your heat pump, just switch over to emergency heat. And what that does is disconnects the heat pump system and brings on all your electric heat. That'll take care of you until one of our service techs can come out and solve the problem.